Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video we will show you how to create a USB drive for installing Windows 10 using Rufus. To get started we will need a USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage capacity, a computer running any operating system, access to the internet, Rufus software, and of course a valid Windows 10 ISO file. The first step is to download the Windows 10 ISO file. To download Windows 10 ISO file, we have to open our Chrome browser. I have already opened the Microsoft official website of Windows 10. I will put the link of this website in the description of this video. So here we have to click on this download now button. We have to save this file. Double click on media creation tool. It takes several minutes to open. Now the terms and the conditions of this tool are showing on the screen. We will click on the accept button. Select create installation media and click on the next button. If the checkbox is ticked, the settings are automatically adjusted according to this computer. And if you want to change 64-bit to 32-bit, then you have to click on 32-bit. Next, ISO file. Next, now you have to save it. After it is finished, you have Windows ISO file like this. I have already downloaded it. Now the second step is to download Rufus. Open your browser. Go to the official website of Rufus. The link of this website also given in the description box of this video. If you are running 64-bit Windows, so you have to click on this link. If you have running 32-bit Windows, you have to download this one. And make sure there is no data in the USB drive. If it is, then the data will be deleted. Here my USB drive is showing. Select. ISO file. Open. If your target system is UEFI, you have to click GPT. If your target system is BIOS, you have to click MBR. I am selecting MBR. Click on start button. OK. The warning is showing the data will be destroyed after it in the USB drive. OK. Deleting partition, this may take a while. It will take several minutes. Now your USB drive is ready. You can install Windows 10 by using this drive. In the next video, I will show you how to use this bootable USB for installing Windows 10. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel. If you like this video, please leave a like, and if you have any question, ask me in the comment section. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.